Hi! Kamusta? So for today's video, we are going to recreate a makeup look from the Killer Bride TV show. Killer Bride is a TV show from the Philippines that is kinda horror. That's why I didn't watch it in the first trailer. When I was scrolling my YouTube today, I saw the highlights and it's actually not horror because there is a twist. So it says there that Camila meets Emma in the flesh. So I was curious, and when I watched it, it was like, oh, this is not that horror. I can actually watch this. I'm very curious about Emma's vampire makeup look, so I think, let's recreate this. So before that, let me just say thank you to eLearningPH for being the first commenter on my last video. So alright, let's get started. Emma's brow, or Camila's brow, is really defined. Fierce looking brow. Okay, so I'm gonna do my face. So I'm using this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. This is my current favorite foundation. So I'm gonna mix this shade 455 and 430. Just one pump. 430, that is 455 earlier. Mixed it with just my hands using the beauty finger and put it all over my face. I forgot to tell you that I primed my face with this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I'm not gonna put a lot because I have a dry skin. I will be using this palette. Any palette will do as long as you have a shade like this and this one. So I'm gonna prime my eyelids with concealer. I'm gonna use concealer instead of eyeshadow base. The concealer base is on. Let me just set it with powder. Oh, you need this shade also, like this. I'm gonna put this on my crease. There, it's coming together now. You can see Camila here is using an eyeliner, but not wing out. It's just like a false lashes base. So we're gonna do that. I will be using this Maybelline gel eyeliner. I'm gonna use this shade first. use this mascara from L'Oreal. I'm gonna use this for tight line and for my waterline. So here is our eye. It's already done. Let me just finish my other eye. I'll be right back. So there's definitely a contour happening on Camila's face. So I'm gonna use this. It's already broken because when I depot this, you know, it's so sad, right? It's sad when you see your eyeshadow gets broken like this. Anyway, I'm gonna use this for my contour. I'm gonna contour a little bit in my cheeks. If you want to see how to do contour, you can check this video right here or here. I'm gonna put a light bronzer. And then it's time for the red lipstick. I'm using this Maybelline for my lip liner. I'm using this lipstick from Maybelline also in the shade Rich Ruby. Hi, love. What's up? I'm gonna use this blush from Bare Minerals in the shade Gen Nude. Alright, so there you have it. Do I look like a killer bride right now? Alright, so I'll be right back with my hair. Alright, so there you have it, guys. This is our Camila version. And I don't have a white blazer, so I just used a black one. I hope it doesn't bug you. Anyway, if you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you are notified in my next video. Bye! Alright, so what do you think? I'm sorry about my hair. My hair is not as close as Camila's hair because I don't have that hair curler. So I just use a flat hair iron. And it's not really giving me that curl that I like. But it's good enough.